Arts Nova Art and Craft. Art and Craft shop with arts and there.
Hi friends, I'm Jagan from Rajnoho Arts and Crafts. Today I'm going to show you about the synthetic hair minute brush set that we sell in our shop. Order now itself. We have designed this brush set in such a way that it should satisfy the minute detailing for tangerine painting, terracotta jewelry, oil painting, acrylic painting, watercolor painting. The first one I showed you is 000 and this one is 00 and 0. All these depends on the quantity of bristles that it comes with the brush, and this brush is 18/0 and this is a long hair liner brush. The hairs in this brush are very minute so that they help in detailing, that is very minute detailing, so only we call this as minute brush set. And this is poster gray, where you can use ready-made on Balaji face which resembles as a stone, and also in Gajalakshmi elephant. The first one I'm going to show you is the 000 brush. The quantity of hair in 000 is less when compared to 00 and 0. So the lines that you use also is very thin and tiny. You have to put less pressure, and if you are putting in 90-degree position, the lines will be more accurate and thinner. So when compared to the 000 brush, this 00 brush, the quantity of hair is more, so the lines on the detailing part is also quite thicker when compared to the 000 brushes. And this is 0 number brush. The increase in quantity of hair differentiates the designs and the lines that you use on your painting. When you are drawing a flower design with 000, 00 and 0, you will surely witness the variation of each flower with each brushes. And this brush is 18/0, that is it has bristles half the quantity of a 000. So the minute of minutest you can get with this 18/0 brush, and I guarantee you, you will be getting thinnest of lines when compared to other brushes. This is called as the liner brush. Here the bristles are extra long when compared to the other 4 brushes in the set. If you want a detailing in a big board, you can use these long hair brushes where it gives a very ecstatic look. The most important thing is the water retention capacity of the brush. The more water it accumulates on the bristles, the more mileage the paint extends on the paper. So in one single dip of water, you can see how the bristles are giving a better mileage extended on the paper. Whenever you are buying a new brush, please check the water retention, and then you can itself examine how the quality of your bristle is. Here in flooring, we have used 0 number size brush for making the flowers. You can see how beautiful the detailing is done with this 0 number brush. When you are using 00 brush, the thickness of the flower decreases. In oil painting also, we have used this minute brush set, and in watercolor and poster color work, they require a huge washing, and these brushes are excellent in washing. So you can get a very thin layer of lines in washing technique also. And you can very well use in acrylic paints. Here the bristles won't get separated or it won't become hard. The tip of the bristles I am talking about, because this is the main complaint that I get from many of the customers, that is over long usage, the tip of the minute sensitive part is getting separated. This does not happen with this minute brush set. So you will be getting 100% thin lines. I am not an artist. I want to give a demo of these brushes. So if the same brushes are used by an artist, you will be getting a sure shot result like this, where you can see the eyes are becoming live with these brushes. Now I am going to show you some brush care tips. If you are following this, you can use these same brushes for 5 years or even 10 years. The first step is rinsing, that is double rinsing, not single rinsing, double rinsing. So here we are rinsing in 2 containers of water. First you have to rinse in first container, then you have to rinse the same brushes in the second fresh water, so that 100% of the paint that is on the bristles will go away on the double rinsing technique, so that your bristles will be clear from the paint. The second most important thing is, with white cotton cloth you have to shape the brushes in this way. So what happens is that your bristles will be pointed, and after that you have to press it gently with the cotton, so that the cotton absorbs all the water from the bristles. Please don't do this, that is dipping your brushes in water for more than half an hour, 1 hour, like that. This will kill your bristles. Always after you finish off your work, please make sure that your bristles are becoming dry with the cotton cloth, that too without any paint on it. This will ensure your long life for your brushes. You can also store your brushes in this brush containing box. Just it is 60 rupees, 80 rupees only, and this is designed for the minute brush set, and this is very small and cute, where you can put your minute brush just like that, where the bristles won't get damaged easily, and just you can close it with the lid, and this is about 40 rupees only. If you don't have any brush container box, you can just put it on a brush holder, but while putting that on a brush holder you have to be very careful. This is what I'm trying to say. Please put the handles downward on the floor and the bristles upward. If you are doing like this, the bristles will bend and it will not give a desired lines when drawing. And if sometimes the bristles get separated, what should I do? Many customers have asked. Here is the answer. You have to add a soap in your hands or in a plate, and just you have to rotate the brushes and then softly fine tune the tips, so that the after you can see here how beautiful it has become pointed again. So let it dry. So after sometimes you will be seeing a very pointed tip. Sometimes the soap may corrode your brushes after long use, so you can use this technique, that is you can use Arabic gum. This is a natural gum and it won't harm your very sensitive bristles. So you can see here how the tip have become pointed again. If you think that the bristles are still bent, then you just dip it in a warm water and then use this same technique. After it dries, you can see here the bristles will be very straight and ready to use for detailing. Order your brush now, and for all Tanjore painting materials and all art and craft materials, just WhatsApp my number. Waiting for valuable order, subscribe our channel.